Q8108. At what point in an axial-flow turbojet engine will the highest gas pressures occur? A. At the turbine entrance. B. Within the burner section. C. At the compressor outlet. The correct answer is C. In an axial-flow turbojet engine, the compressor outlet has the highest gas pressure. The burner input and outflow of the compressor are identical. Q8109. One function of the nozzle diaphragm in a turbine engine is to A. Decrease the velocity of exhaust gases. B. Center the fuel spray in the combustion chamber. C. Direct the flow of gases to strike the turbine blades at the desired angle. The correct answer is C. In a turbine engine, the nozzle diaphragm serves the purpose of directing the flow of exhaust gases from the combustion chamber towards the turbine blades. The nozzle diaphragm is positioned between the combustion chamber and the turbine section. One of its primary functions is to control and guide the flow of gases in such a way that they impinge on the turbine blades at the desired angle. The angle at which the gases strike the turbine blades is crucial for efficient energy extraction and optimal turbine performance. By properly shaping the nozzle diaphragm, the flow of gases can be directed and channeled towards the turbine blades in a specific manner. This helps ensure that the gases hit the blades at the correct angle, which maximizes the energy transfer and the rotational motion of the turbine. Q8110. What is the profile of a turbine engine compressor blade? A. The leading edge of the blade. B. A reduced blade tip thickness. C. The curvature of the blade root. The correct answer is B. The term profile refers to a reduction in the thickness of the blade tip of a turbine engine compressor rotor blade. If the blade should come into contact with the compressor housing, profiles prevent severe damage to the blade or housing. Q8111. The fan rotational speed of a dual axial compressor forward fan engine is the same as the A. Low-pressure compressor. B. Forward turbine wheel. C. High-pressure compressor. The correct answer is A. In a dual axial flow compressor, the fan is a component of the low-pressure compressor. The fan section's rotor blades are long enough to allow the air they move to circulate around the engine's gas generator. The low-pressure compressor rotates at the same speed as the fan. Q8112. The abbreviation P17 used in turbine engine terminology means A. The total inlet pressure. B. Pressure and temperature at station 7. C. The total pressure at station 7. The correct answer is C. In turbine engine terminology, the abbreviation P17 refers to the total pressure at station 7. The station numbers in turbine engine terminology are used to divide the engine into different sections or locations for reference and measurement purposes. Station 7 is typically located at a specific point within the engine, such as the exit of the high-pressure compressor or the entrance of the combustion chamber. The total pressure at this station represents the sum of the static pressure, ambient pressure, and the dynamic pressure, velocity pressure, at that specific location. By measuring and monitoring the total pressure at Station 7, engineers and operators can assess the performance and efficiency of the engine's compressor, combustion, and subsequent stages. It provides valuable information about the airflow, pressure distribution, and the overall health of the engine at that particular point.